Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, today is the first day of the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place for a week. So right up until the 10th of October. So that is a really long one. I'm going to share some of the deals that I have, basic deals that anyone can do, and then some of the clearance finds that I found today. I did go to 3 stores. One I didn't find so much, and then a couple I found quite a bit, and I'm pretty excited by some of this stuff. And sometimes you have to walk around the store 2 or 3 times before you find what you're looking for. And that was often the case of what I was doing today. Also, with some of the digitals, they weren't coming off and I was having issues, but I'll talk about that in a second. If you're new to this and you really need a good tutorial with a ton of visuals, I really recommend that you watch the video I made earlier this week. I will link it at the very end where I just walk through everything and how this really works and how the math balances with the digital coupons. And so far, this is the table that I have, or the counter that I have. It doesn't look very impressive. Some items I did get a little bit more than others, but the day is still young, so I plan on going out a little later and building on this. If you want to see it, definitely visit my Instagram page. It's running_kimono. I didn't even find a 70 store this go around. So I believe this is probably the last clearance event of the year. And then the next one will probably be in March of 2025. First deal we're going to talk about is with the Ritz. It's called buttery crackers. It's a larger box too. They're currently $1.77, part of the clearance event. And we have a 50-cent cash back. And you have to activate it, and then once you pay the $1.77, within either a couple hours or a day, you'll get that 50 cent back on your account, and you can use it at the Dollar General at a later time. And here is the cash back. You can do this up to 2 times, but $1.27 for some crackers, a very good price point. So you can already see, like, that is a great deal. A big thank you to the Geeky Banana Saves. She was talking about this and she was right on the money with this deal. Thank you so much. She's a fellow YouTuber as well. The next deal that we're looking at is to grab 4 of these brawny 2-packs of the paper towel. And guess what? That dock worker strike has been tabled to, I believe, next January. So between now and then, maybe it's the time to build up your paper. You're going to load the following digital coupons, guys. That's a 4 off, a 3, and $1 off. Now, very important, check your Fetch Rewards account. Do you or don't you have this rebate? It's 1,000 points back for each. So that would be basically like $4 back. The basic math for this, 4 of these is $18. Subtracting $5 in digital coupons, you'll pay $13. Photograph your receipt to Fetch for $4 back. It basically makes it $9 for the 4 or $2.25 per paper product. And these are the much thicker rolls, so they really go a long ways. Definitely something I would be stocking up on, especially if your stockpile doesn't have a lot of paper. It's a very good deal. If you wanted to throw this in with the 5 off 25 on Saturday, alternatively, another great deal. But the store that I visited today had a ton, so that was fantastic. Now, the Dixie Ultra with this specific design, it's like a summer design, guys. The 22 count for the plates or the 28 count for the bowls, $2.03. So, I mean, if you wanted to throw this in with the 5 off 25, by all means, I'm going to show you guys the UPC and find this with the, like, near the Halloween stuff. They might just have them strewed around in there. It's the Dollar General. You never know where you're going to find stuff all over the store, but here are the UPCs. A lot of the 4th of July stuff is also part of this. So these were 75 cents for the larger flag ones or the ones that say USA. So definitely, like whatever you're seeing, if you're like, hey, is this part of it? Just open up that Dollar General app and start scanning barcodes. Because, I mean, cheap is definitely the best price, especially for these disposable plates. Now, this was probably my favorite find of the day. The Unstoppable in the Scent Paradise. I believe there's a lemon one as well. They are $5.17, part of the clearance event, and Ember is the second scent that I found. We have a $5 digital coupon, and it is attaching, and yes, it's coming off for this, and I got more than one. many different store cards, and it was applying. Here are the two different UPCs for the scents that I was finding, and I found them in the clearance section too, guys. And then just to show you the receipt, it's working. So this was really fantastic to pay 17 cents for a double pack. Fully what extreme couponing is about. Another great deal that I got was on the 409 carpet cleaner. We have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching, so it makes it 80 cents for this can. That's probably upwards of what, $4 or $5 at Walmart. So I'm really happy about that. I found a couple of those today. And here is the $1 digital. And every store is a little bit different, so don't lose the faith, guys. Sometimes it can be challenging, but it's like hunting for stuff. Now on a Sky shelf, which is the top shelf, do you see what I'm seeing? Yes. I actually found 6 boxes of these pads, and I'm always looking for pads. It's the Always pads, and I managed to fish them down at like 8 o'clock in the morning like a crazy person. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching. So it made it like, I think it was like 94 cents for the two, which is a really good price point. I mean, it's unheard of for Always, but delighted with that. So it's like 47 cents per box. Totally what it's about. I really wish that a lot more stores around here were at 70, and we've been spoiled the last many clearance events, but they took that away. I don't know why. Now, this is where I kind of fell into something. This digital coupon did not come off for me for a couple of my transactions for this specific lotion. Now, when I did it on my main card, it came off perfectly. It's $2.57. Subtracting that digital coupon, 57 cents. I don't know what's going on with the Nivea lotion, but a couple of my friends were saying the same thing happened to them this morning with the Vaseline. Here's the weird thing, guys. With the Vaseline, my digital coupons came off, no problems, no issues. So I truly don't know what's going on. We have this one. It's the Sensitive Skin. It's $3.15. After that $2 digital, it's $1.15. I know that Family Dollar had them as well, very cheap. But my area, they were like on clearance for $4.50 or whatever, not the $2 that a lot of you were scoring them at. But hey, I'm still happy with that. And now the next deal is to load this 5 off 2 Dove. You kind of have to do this one quickly because it's expiring quickly. 2 of these men's ones. I did see this guy in the March clearance event. It's $6.30 for the 2. After that digital coupon, you're paying $1.30 for the 2. I actually met up with a friend this morning at a store, and I just grabbed them for her son because I thought he might enjoy them. So I didn't even buy them, but I know that she was really happy to get 2 of these. And the Dulcolax, we have a $2 cash back. I think you would pay $2.99 and then get back your $2. Unfortunately, pairing that coupon with this, I think you'll get one or the other. That's my understanding because they changed the rules around again. But you might want to look for these if you think 99 cents is a stock up price for these Dulcolax Chewy Bites. Now, a lot of the Blue Dot is already at 90% for the various board games, puzzles, toys. This one store in the clearance section with the Blue Dot toys, and you really have to have a very discerning eye for what are you looking for. Well, it's the items with that blue dot. And that one Blank Creek, that one, I don't think I could say that first word here on YouTube. Nobody wants them. They're at all the stores. I watched a couple seasons of that on Netflix. The first season was fantastic. And then after that, they were just doing the same joke over and over. And I stopped watching. But anyhow, for that one, I think you would pay 50 cents. And for these puzzles, they're a quarter. Here's one of the UPCs. Definitely keep your eyes peeled for the Blue Dot toys as part of the clearance event for extra savings. And the final item, this cute little microwave pancake on the go for 67 cents. What a marvelous little breakfast. Again, if you're new to Dollar General clearance shopping, watch the video linked right here, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.